What's up guys, it is Wavy Spice here, and if you're new to my channel, I definitely want to invite you to subscribe, join the Spice gang, and become a Spice girl. We have a lot of fun over here. Here you're gonna find videos on everything from fashion and beauty all the way to lifestyle. Definitely hope you consider joining the gang, and if you do, also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I do upload new videos, because I do upload them pretty frequently. Today is gonna be a lifestyle video, something a little bit different. I am gonna show you guys my room tour in my new apartment. If you guys don't know, around last August I moved to a new apartment, so this is gonna be my room tour here, and I'm also gonna give you guys a couple of decorating tips, how to decorate on a budget if you guys are like me and don't really have that much money to spend on decorating, but you do want your space to look really nice. These tips are going to be some ways to help you maximize what you have and maximize your budget, but also have your room looking really cute. So if you guys want to see my decorating tips as well as my room tour, then just continue. So the first decorating tip that I have is have a color scheme or a style that you want in mind. I kind of knew that I wanted to go for like a boho type of look. I wanted to have a lot of greenery, also gray, pink, and white. I also wanted to make sure that I had some marble in my room because I really like the way that the pink, white, and marble look. That's what I kind of had in mind with my bedroom. So have some type of style or color scheme in mind. That's gonna make it easier when you're finding pieces for your space and what you want to go with. For tip number 2, I am going to say get inspired. And the best way to get inspired for me is through pictures on places like Pinterest or Google or Instagram. You can find tons of furniture pictures. All you have to do is type in the color scheme that you want or the style that you want. So you're gonna have to use tip number 1 in order to utilize tip number 2. Yeah, I get most of my ideas from either Pinterest or Google. Tip number 3 is going to be try to use things that you already have. I don't know if you live at home. That's when I first started decorating my space. My mom has tons of old furniture and stuff in her basement, so I would just go through that and kind of see what I could make up with the furniture that I already had with things like spray paint or contact paper. So that's a really good useful tip that doesn't cost anything. You can just repurpose things that you already have in your storage or in your furniture collection already. Some ways that I do this, as you will see in my room tour, I have hats as decorations. I also have books. That's another great thing, especially ones that go along with the color scheme of your room or ones I like to try to incorporate. That's a great decoration piece. My tip number 4 is going to be utilizing the thrift store. The thrift store is where half of my stuff is from. Everything's cheap at the thrift store, so you don't have to worry about breaking the bank when you do find your decor. And I found some of the most beautiful pieces that I have at the thrift store. So do not sleep on the thrift store. I thrift at the Goodwill, the Salvation Army, anything that's around. Definitely check out a lot of different thrift stores. Also secondhand shops, places that have stuff that is just a little bit cheaper than what you would find it at regular market value, is another great place to look for decorations at. And then my last tip number 5 for ways to decorate on a budget is going to be going to discount stores like Burlington Coat Factory, TJ Maxx, Ross, and even City Trends are great places to pick up items for a really good price that can make your space look and feel amazing. Yeah guys, that is my 5 tips on how to decorate on a budget. Now I'm going to show you guys how I decorated my room on a budget using all of the tips that I just showed you guys. If you guys want to see my room, then just continue watching. Bye. All right, so here is what the entrance of my room looks like, and I'm gonna just give you guys an overview first. All right, I'm gonna start on this part of my room and work my way down and just let you guys know where everything is from. My trash can here is actually from the thrift store. This side table, I actually got this from the thrift store for $3 and I put contact paper on it. You can find this marble contact paper at like Lowe's or Home Depot, and I just spray painted the legs gold. I have a basket under here, and since I don't have like a traditional nightstand that has a drawer on it, I just kind of use that as my nightstand drawer, and it just has like stuff that I need near the bed. Here I just have this cute little Himalayan pink sea salt. I believe it's supposed to be a candle holder. I got this from TJ Maxx. This little plant here is from the Goodwill. My lamp here is from Target. I have a little baby Buddha right here, which I got at the 99-cent store. I have an ashtray, which is from the thrift store. My little coaster here is from the thrift store. That's pretty much my little nightstand setup. This picture here is from Burlington Coat Factory, I believe. And then here is my bed. Love the way my bed looks. And for my bed, this is actually the bottom part of the bed is from Amazon. I got this headboard from Walmart and I spray painted it gold, and I didn't really do a great job of spray painting it. You can kind of see where it's coming off, but still definitely does the job and gives the aesthetic that I want. This little piece over my bed, I actually made this. I got the basket part from the thrift store. The mirror is from the Dollar Tree, and then the yarn is like from Walmart or something. This here is just a lamp that I've had in my room for years, and I just spray painted it gold. My bedding, the white part is from Burlington, I believe. And then the pillow is from Walmart. The pillow that looks like it has leaves on it is from Amazon. This pillow that says Life is Lovely is from Target. And my actual sheet, which has like really pretty floral design on it, is from Target. And this is just my mom's old sheets, and I just got them from her. Then my throw blanket was a Christmas gift, and my pink throw is from Five and Below. Also, the little lights here on my bed, they are from Amazon. So that's it for my bed. Here I have a little storage thing that stores like all my cords and everything. And this little thing is from the Goodwill. And it originally had like this horrible green top on it. You can kind of still see it under there. It had a green top on it, but I love the print. So what I did was I just took an old white sweater, and then this little topper thing here is from Amazon. I was trying to order a rug that was like that, and I thought it was gonna be big, and it actually came that tiny. So I actually just ended up reusing it for the top of this, just to make this go with my room a little bit better. Here on my wall, I have these little square things. Are from the thrift store, and they're originally brown. I painted them white. This greenery, the ivy, is off of Amazon. Got it really cheap. The little dinosaur is from the Target dollar section. I think I got it for $3 though, and I painted it pink, and I just have a little fake plant in there that I think is from the Dollar Tree. And then I have a plant pot there that I painted, which I got the plant pot from, I'm pretty sure like Walmart or something. And then the sign that says Love Lives Here is from Walmart. And this canvas picture here is actually from the thrift store. And I just thought it went really good with my room. This clock is from the thrift store, and it's marble. I love this. I was so happy when I found this at the thrift store. So yeah, that's it for my wall decorations. Here is my laundry basket, and I think this is so cute. I got this from the thrift store as well. As you can see, there's a theme. I get a lot of stuff from the thrift store. My desk. Now this is actually from the thrift store. If you check out one of my old room tours, it actually used to be like this crazy turquoise green color, and I got it at the thrift store for $14. I remember the day I found it, I just could not pass it up. I was like, I can't believe this vanity is in here. So I got this for $14, and I ended up painting it white so it would just go with everything. And I painted the handles and everything gold. So yes, love this. This has been with me for a long time. I've had this thing for years. And then this mirror on here was actually attached to a dresser from my old bedroom. So if you look at some of my old room tours, you can see what this originally went on. And if you guys want me to do a vanity tour, comment below, and because I'm planning on organizing my vanity a little bit better. So if you guys want to see that, then comment below and let me know that you guys want to see that. Here I just have some hats hanging for some extra decoration. And I got those hats from the thrift store, no surprise there. My curtains are from Walmart, and they're just like this tan color. I used to have gray, but I just feel like the tan looks a lot better. And then here I have this shelf, which is from the thrift store, and it just has a couple little pieces on it. The little green plant is from the Target dollar section. The little @ symbol is from the Dollar Tree. The little unicorn is from Dollar Tree. This little piece is from the Dollar Tree as well, this pink piece. And then I just have a picture of me and my mom in this frame that's from the Dollar Tree. So that's everything that's on that. And I was thinking of painting this gold. I went ahead and put it up, but I think later I'm gonna go ahead and make a project out of it and paint that gold so it just looks a little bit better. But I love this shelf. I was so happy when I found this at the thrift store as well. And my mirror here, this mirror is actually from my house back home. This was on the bathroom door and it was just chilling in the basement, so I just brought it with me down here and made it my mirror. This hanging plant here I just got the pot from Walmart, I believe, and then the string, and I just made this hanging plant, and I put some ivy from Amazon in it. Okay, so this is pretty much my dresser, and it's from IKEA. I got this when I used to live in New Jersey because I needed this for storage when I lived with my ex. And the little inserts are actually from Walmart. They're not from IKEA. So on top of here, I have this vase that is like marble, and it used to be in my mom's room, but it's from the thrift store originally. This plant here is from the thrift store as well. This little baby Buddha here is from, I wanna say Burlington Coat Factory or either Target. My little tray here is from the thrift store. This little earring holder is from the Dollar Tree. And then I just have this other holder here for my jewelry. This is from the Target $3 section. A little fake plant, which is from the Target $3 section. This little hand here, which is from TJ Maxx. My globe here, I won in Dirty Santa with my family one year, so that's where that's from. This candle is from Walmart. And then I have this little footstool here, which is from Five and Below, and I just thought it went really cute with my room. I do have 2 different closets and they connect. So in this closet, up there is just junk. Then I have my jeans, a mannequin head. Here's my clothes and then my shoes. And then I have all my purses and belts right here. I literally just organized my closet so it looks so good right now. Then I do have a separate closet that's here and it does connect on the inside. So here's what this side looks like. Just a bunch of junk up there at the top. I have a couple more of these baskets that house like all my gym clothes and my hats and scarves and everything right there. Here I just have an overflow for my laundry, and then all my wigs are in there. And it does connect all the way through. So yeah, guys, that is my closet. Picture here that says just chill is from Five and Below, and it actually didn't come in these colors. I ended up painting it that light pink color so it would go in my room at the top. It says just chill. And then here's my little baby TV. I've had this TV since I was in college. I remember I saved up like $100 and bought this TV. So yeah, I still have the same TV, even though it's really tiny, but it works for my small space. And here I have some books that just kind of like go with my room decor. And there's my planner, as well as I have 2 little baby plants here, another drawer, and then I have my sunglasses here, and then these cute little trays that my best friend got for me, and then another drawer right there. And I have this cute little chair that has little baby plants sitting on it, and I got this from the thrift store, as well as I got the baby plants from the Target dollar section, and I believe I got that pot from Michael's. And then lastly, my rug is from Amazon. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for my room. I'm gonna give you guys one more overview of everything that's in here. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.